This good-looking rifle is a Rossi 92 stainless model with a 20-inch barrel. It fires a .357 Magnum round and 38 specials. These rifles are modeled after Winchester's AT-92 rifle, which was designed to fire pistol cartridges. Currently, Rossi offers these in .357 and 38 and .45 Colt. They are manufactured in São Leopoldo, Brazil by Rossi Firearms, a family-owned business started in 1889 by Italian immigrant and gunsmith Amedeo Rossi. Their North American import and support company is Brastek, located in Bainbridge, Georgia. Rossi also offers several barrel lengths and configurations. You can even get it with a loop lever that was designed by stuntman Yakima Knut so that his friend John Wayne could spin his rifle in the movie Stagecoach. They also shortened the barrel so the Duke wouldn't get whacked in the head. I've shot several thousand rounds through this rifle in the 4 years I've had it. And I've made some adjustments to it that can be seen in my video, Rossi 92 .357 Tips. The trigger pull is very smooth from the factory. The front brass bead sight recently lost the brass bead, and I replaced the entire sight with a green fiber optic type that works well in daylight. Because I reload .357s and 38s, I can really shoot on the cheap. And because I reload .45 Colt for my 6 guns, I think I'll pick up another Rossi 92 and .45 Colt for a bigger bang. I forgot to mention you get a 1-year warranty too. I'm not associated with Rossi, but I can tell you I've had a hell of a lot of fun with this beautiful rifle, and that's why I made this video.
Oh boy, what a sweet rifle this is, and a lot of fun too. A lot of times at the range I get people coming up to me and saying, hey, that's a pretty slick looking rifle. It's very, very accurate. It's well balanced and good looking. Well, till next time, we'll see you out there shooting maybe. So long.